I never wondered what it would be like to have a smartphone with the screen so large it could rival some tablets. Well, wonder no more. Huawei's latest creation, Nova Flip, might just be the answer to your prayers with the product.
So what makes the Nova Flip stand out from the crowd? For starters, it features a massive 6.94 foldable screen, the largest on the market. And if that had a minute wasn't enough, it's rumored to come equipped with a powerful Kirin 9000 series chip, promising lightning-fast performance.
But wait, there's more. According to leaked images, the Nova Flip-In has not one but two screens. The main one being an LTPO OLED screen with a blazingly fast refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Meanwhile, the secondary screen is a regular OLED with a cap of 60 Hz. With such versatility, users can enjoy smooth scrolling and gaming experiences while conserving battery life when needed. Speaking of batteries, the Nova Flip promises to deliver with a decent-sized 4,400 milliamp hour battery capacity and 66-watt wired charging support. While it may not be groundbreaking, it certainly gets the job done. Moving on to the cameras, the Nova Flip sports a high-resolution 50-megapixel primary camera, complete with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens capable of capturing stunning landscape shots. Not only that, but the selfie game is strong too, thanks to the 32-megapixel front camera nestled neatly inside a punch hole cutout. And let's not forget about style. Huawei offers two different finishes for the Nova Flip: a sleek, glass-like back or a more tactile skin-like finish. Depending on the chosen variant, the thickness and weight of the phone differ slightly, offering users the freedom to choose based on personal preference. And finally, the much-awaited release date of the Huawei Nova Flip is just around the corner, with 4 dazzling color options hitting shelves next week. Paired with ample memory configurations, ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, the Nova Flip aims to please even the most demanding smartphone aficionados. Just remember, all good things come at a price. We'll just have to wait and see how steep that price tag will be. And with that said, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting updates in the world of technology. And will the Nova Flip live up to the hype? Only its side of the time will tell.